Hi, my name is Chris Boasso. I'm a senior consultant and a founder at Leanfullness Strategies. For the next few minutes, I want to discuss lean thinking and how we've integrated lean thinking from an engineering perspective to a psychological perspective. So I will start with 3 of the tenets of lean thinking, which are continuous improvement, respect for people, and eliminate waste. Hence the word lean, which is eliminating waste. But these 2 tenets are really important: continuous improvement and respect for people. Whereas lean thinking wants everybody involved in the process of building something, manufacturing something, creating something, whatever it is that is being worked on, there's a process. So when there's people doing work, whatever it is that they're doing, there's a process, and there's many people involved in that process at many levels. So lean wants everybody involved in this part, continuous improvement. Everybody's voice is heard. Everybody has ownership in the process. And that's where respect for people comes, and that's where the motivation or the awareness of identifying waste in the process. So these 3 tenets are really important, each equally important, I would say. So I've illustrated, here is a process, here's a starting point, here's an end point. Starting point, square boxes are steps. These lines up and down are noise or waste in between the steps. And then there's the end product. So this would be a noisy process. A lot of noise, step, a lot of noise, step, a lot of noise, step, a lot of noise, end product. Okay? Ideally, we would want this, a straight line. The shortest distance between 2 points, start and finish, being the 2 points, is a straight line. Step, straight line, step, straight line, step in the process, straight line, end product. Okay? So how I've integrated lean thinking into a psychological perspective, these 2 are engineering. This is a psychological perspective. We've identified 8 different types of psychological waste. I won't go into all of them right now, but a few examples are ruminating, distractions, or over processing, excess processing, overthinking. So to name just a couple of the psychological waste. So we as humans, we get the thought process going when we're working on a task at hand. Step, step, step. We have an end product. It's a little more complex than engineering. We have moods, we have emotions, which cause behaviors. So it's far more complex, and I don't try to create a linear type of, that we could predict this whole thing in a linear fashion, because we can't with people, right? But what we can do is we can identify the psychological waste that's part of our process. And some of it is from insecurities, some of it is from, there's a variety of different psychological waste. So what we do here at Lean Thinking, or at Leanfullness Strategies, is help identify, as one part of what we do, the psychological waste that's in our life. That's in our everyday processes, that's in our, just everything that we do when we wake up in the morning till we go to sleep at night. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of waste. So we help identify a lot of that psychological waste. So I will end it there, and there's many more resources or information on the website, leanfullness.com, and workshops are available. So reach out, message me through the contacts tab on the website, And watch out for the bulletins. There will be upcoming bulletins on when and where the next workshops will be. Thanks for listening.